Hello everyone, this is Randy and welcome back to Furniture Shuffle. I found this solid wood dresser at the thrift store for under $20, which I thought was an incredible deal. It was overall very clean and in pretty good shape. It did have some scratches on the top, but because it is solid wood, I should be able to sand those right out. It makes me very happy that I don't have to deal with the veneer on this piece. So, let's get started. The piece was marked Empire Furniture from Johnson City, Tennessee. It was kind of in the style of early American, like a lot of Ethan Allen furniture that I've found. My overall goal on this piece is to give it a more casual, modern feel. The dresser had this scrolly apron on the bottom that did not affect the structural integrity of the piece. It was purely decorative, so I decided to go ahead and remove it. There was a small crack at the bottom of one of the sides that I just fixed using some wood glue and this syringe. These syringes are really great for getting into tight little spaces. Because the original finish came off so easily and it is solid wood and I don't have to worry about blowing through any veneer, I used 120 grit sandpaper because I just needed to get out some minor scratches and blemishes, and then to finish it off I used 220. Because I was going for a rustic casual feel, I decided to use this classic gray stain. I did not use a wood conditioner before applying the stain because I was going for that rustic look. I didn't want it to look perfect. And I chose gray because it is very neutral and will fit with most any home decor. After applying the stain, I took a rag and wiped off any excess. I just didn't want it to be too dark. I really wanted the grain of the wood to shine through. I love these reusable filters that filter paints and stains so nothing clogs up my sprayer. And then 3 light coats of satin poly finish. Between each coat, I used a crumpled up brown paper bag to remove any little dust particles that may have fallen onto the piece when the poly was drying. I use a brown paper bag because it's easy to come by and won't scratch the finish. I'm replacing all the hardware with these leather handles that I found just to give the piece that casual look that I was going for. I just want to take a second to thank everyone for watching my videos and for all the wonderful comments. I truly appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button. This was a great project to show that you can find some great solid pieces very inexpensively at the thrift stores and transform them with just a little of time and work into something that's going to fit your own home decor. So let's go ahead and take a look at the final result.